Hello friends, are you not able to get your bowels empty in the bathroom? Do you suffer from pressure of potty many times a day? If you are not able to get fresh properly in the morning, then today's video is specially for you. Keep watching the videos, we will be back. Welcome to FitHit. Our digestive system is a vital part of a body. Our digestive system is the most volatile system and very soft in nature. It feeds the body and mind. Our digestive system starts from our mouth and ends at our bums. It is 30 feet long way. The digestive system grows and develops till age 16 and remains stable till age 36. After 36 years of age, the digestive fire becomes slow and the problem starts. It can be the situation that you have bad eating habits of junk food and other but have no digestive problem. But if you don't change your habits, the problem will grow and you might regret after some time. Our digestive system is directly associated with our brain. You can try in a day when you get your bowels empty properly, you will feel good and relaxed. On the other hand, you not getting your bowels empty properly, you feel anxiety and mind gets disturbed whole day. But don't worry, I promise I will make this series so that digestive system will never become weak in your whole life. We will discuss about from eating habits, that is chewing the food, to proper method of excretion. If you find this video helpful, then please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon. My name is Saurabh. You are FitHitters. Thank you so much for watching.